Ever wondered what makes a perfect chili soup? Picture an array of vibrant, spicy chili soups, each unique, each brimming with tantalizing flavors. This culinary world is diverse, with a spectrum of tastes and textures to explore. And what's more, your personal taste preferences play a pivotal role in defining your perfect bowl. Whether it's the heat of the chili, the robustness of the beans, or the richness of the meat, it's all up to you. Today, you're going to discover the secrets to crafting that perfect bowl of chili soup. The magic of a good chili soup lies in its ingredients. Let's break it down. The base of our chili soup is meat, typically ground beef. It adds a rich, hearty flavor that forms the backbone of the dish. Then we have beans, usually kidney or black beans. They bring a creamy texture and absorb the flavors of the other ingredients. Tomatoes are next. Fresh or canned, they add a tangy sweetness that balances the heat. Onions and garlic are our aromatic duo, contributing depth and savoriness. Now the star of the show, chili peppers. Whether you use fresh, dried, or powdered, they provide that essential kick. Lastly, our spices. A blend of cumin, oregano, and often a touch of cocoa powder. They create that complex, layered taste that makes chili soup so irresistible. Remember, quality ingredients make a quality soup, so choose with care. Now, it's time for the real fun cooking your chili soup. We'll start by setting the stage with a hot pan. Into this, we'll introduce our first actors, finely chopped onions and crushed garlic. These two are the unsung heroes of our chili soup, and they take the stage first, sautéing until they're soft and golden, releasing their sweet and savory aromas. Next, it's time for the star of our show, the meat. Whether you're using ground beef, turkey, or even tofu for our plant-based friends, it's all about achieving a beautiful brown crust. This is where the magic happens, as the browning process unlocks deep, rich flavors that are essential to a great chili soup. Once the meat is beautifully browned, it's time to welcome the supporting cast: diced tomatoes, beans, and our blend of spices. The tomatoes add a sweet acidity, the beans provide a hearty texture, and the spices, oh, the spices. They're the secret weapons, infusing the chili with heat, depth, and complexity. Now here's where patience comes into play. Once everything is in the pot, it's time to let it simmer. This isn't a quick flash in the pan. It's a slow, steady process that allows the flavors to meld together. It's like a symphony, where each ingredient plays its part, contributing to the overall harmony of flavors. So let it simmer, let it bubble, let it cook. This is where your chili soup transforms from a simple mix of ingredients into something truly special. And remember, the longer it cooks, the better it gets, so don't rush it. The smell wafting from the pot will tempt you, but resist the urge to dig in too soon. This is a dish that rewards patience, so let it simmer, stir occasionally, and watch as your chili soup comes to life. Patience is key here. Let your chili soup simmer and allow the flavors to mingle and develop. Your chili soup is ready, but hold on, presentation matters too. Now that we've crafted this delicious bowl of comfort, let's talk about how to serve it. You might want to start with some common toppings. A dollop of sour cream can add a cool, creamy contrast to the rich, spicy chili. Grated cheese, such as sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, melts beautifully into the hot soup, adding a delightful gooiness. Fresh herbs like cilantro or green onions can give a bright pop of color and a fresh taste that cuts through the richness. As for accompaniments, you have a few options. Cornbread is a classic choice. Its sweet, crumbly texture is the perfect counter to the hearty chili. Alternatively, you could serve your chili over rice. The grains absorb the soup's flavorful broth, making every bite a delight. Remember, the key is to balance flavors and textures. With the right presentation, your chili soup is not just tasty, but a feast for the eyes too. There you have it, the perfect bowl of chili soup. It's all about selecting the freshest ingredients, following the detailed cooking process, and serving it up with panache. Don't skimp on the beans, tomatoes, or those aromatic spices. Let it simmer to meld the flavors, and finish it off with your favorite garnishes. And there you go, a dish that warms the heart and satisfies the stomach. Remember, the secret to a perfect chili soup is in the balance of flavors. Happy cooking, and enjoy your delicious chili soup.